Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to order an item or how to place an order on the Stradivarius application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select an item you would like to purchase, so tap on this second item icon down below and select a category, then a particular item that you want to add to your shopping cart, so click on it, tap on the add button down below and then select your size, click on add, tap on process order at the top, and here you can type in a discount code if you have any. If you don't, or after typing in the promotional code, click on the process order button down below and you can select from two shipping options, either pick up in store, which is completely free, you just need to enter your postcode and then select the store, or you can also choose the home delivery option. Tap on it and after that you should select the payment method, and then you should enter your card details, including your card number, expiry date, CVV number and the name of the card holder. After that, tap on continue to confirmation and you will finalize the process. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.